In this video, we will show you how to activate the RBC Virtual Visa Debit. First, ensure you have the RBC mobile app downloaded on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your client card number and password. This information is crucial for accessing your account securely. After signing in, select your primary checking account. Then, navigate to the Manage Card page within the app. This is where you will find options related to your cards. On the Manage Card page, you will see options to activate your Virtual Visa Debit or view Virtual Visa Debit. If you haven't activated it yet, choose the activation option. If you want to see your Virtual Visa Debit details, select the View option. The app will guide you through the process of activating or viewing your Virtual Visa Debit card. Follow the prompts provided step by step to ensure successful completion. Once your Virtual Visa Debit card is activated, you can use it for online purchases. When you reach the payment section during checkout, select Visa or Visa Debit as your payment option. Enter your RBC Virtual Visa Debit number, including the expiry date and CVV. Additionally, you will need to enter your name and billing address for verification purposes. After entering all the required information, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is complete. Once confirmed, you are all set to enjoy the convenience of online shopping using your RBC Virtual Visa Debit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.